Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 22nd of November, 2023. At close, the Sensex was up 92.47 points or 0.14% at 66,023.24, and the Nifty was up 28.40 points or 0.14% at 19,811.80. Top gainers on the Nifty were BPCL, Cipla, NTPC, Infosys and Power Grid Corporation, while losers included IndusInd Bank, Hindalco Industries, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Adani Enterprises and Adani Ports. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Sterling and Wilson Renewable gained 5% and got locked in the upper circuit on November 22 after CNBC TV 18 reported that a Sterling and Wilson JV won a $2.2 billion order from the Nigerian government. Sun Africa LLC, a joint venture of Sterling and Wilson Renewable, will develop 961 MWp of solar PV generation infrastructure and 455 megawatt-hours of battery energy for Nigeria. CNBC TV 18 reported that Sterling and Wilson would get $1.5 to $2 billion from the $2.2 billion order. Shares of SUZLON Energy Limited tanked 5% and were locked in a lower circuit at 37.35 rupees in the early trade on November 22, after witnessing selling pressure for the third consecutive session. The scrip opened at 38 rupees and plunged 5%. In the last three trading sessions, the stock has tanked 12%. About 4 crore shares changed hands as against the one-week average of 15 crore shares. Shares of Tata Motors rose to hit a fresh all-time high of 687.35 rupees on November 22 as international brokerage CLSA has put buy rating on the stock with a target price of 841 rupees per share. The positive outlook is supported by Jaguar Land Rover's encouraging performance, with a notable 14.1% on-year improvement in retail volumes recorded in October 2023. The specific geographic segments have shown substantial growth for JLR, with volumes in the UK and EU surging by 65% and 29%, respectively, compared to the previous year. Shares of KRAFT fell on November 22 after the company said the income tax department was searching its premises and plants. The company added that it was cooperating with officials. We hereby inform you that the income tax department is conducting search at some of the premises plants related to the company. The officials of the company are cooperating with the officials of the income tax department and are responding to the queries raised by them, said the company in an exchange filing. Shares of the company dropped about 4% to 498.90 rupees following the disclosure. Shares of GMR Power and Urban Infrastructure rallied 4% to 42 rupees per share on November 22 after the company acquired an additional 29.2% stake in subsidiary GMR Energy. In the past month, the stock of this power and infrastructure development company has surged 22% as against a 0.8% rise in the benchmark Sensex. In an exchange filing dated November 22, the current acquisition consolidates the existing stake of GMR Power in GMR Energy from 57.7%, held by itself and its subsidiaries, to about 86.9%. CG Power and Industrial Solutions Limited in daily time frame is trading around 469.35 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 19.95 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 406.10, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 75.54. Compucom Software Limited in daily time frame is trading around 28.90 points with a change of 19.92% and is trading with a net volume of around 5.326 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 24.85, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 81.77. Ushanti Color Chemistry Limited in daily time frame is trading around 72.95 points with a change of 19.59% and is trading with a net volume of around 10,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 66.25, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 58.80. For the stock recommendation we have, Crompton Greaves Consumer Electricals looks good and can be bought at 290 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 282 rupees and a target of 300 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.